So we've got Josh. He's about to get married tomorrow, and he's using his wedding package. He ordered from us, and he would like to know: is there any last-minute tips on rocking that outfit to the max?
We have some videos on how to get dressed in a kilt outfit. I'd say watch the videos. If you've never really worn a kilt before, watch the video. Make sure you're putting all the parts of the outfit together properly for the big day. Second part, especially if you're wearing a fly plate, have your best man know what it's supposed to look like and have him kind of sort you out for the photos. Make sure in all your photos, if you're wearing a fly plate, it's pulled down and you're not disheveled looking. You want to make sure that you're really perfecting the outfit so that it's, you're going to have those pictures for a long, long time. Mm-hmm. Any other thoughts?
Basically, go over the details a few days in advance so you know what you're doing.
So today,
try the it's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You might want to try things on a little bit tonight. For instance, put the kilt pin on the kilt, so you make sure the placement is exactly where you want it. There are little things like that you can do. Adjust the elastic on the garters for your flashes. You can do that ahead of time. The less you have to worry about tomorrow when you're about to enter the heat of action, the better. That being said, I would say also allow a little extra time than you think you need so that if something goes wrong or if you feel uncomfortable or something, just gets wrinkled or something and you didn't expect it, you have time to fix it.
Yeah.
You want to, Beau Brummel said, never rush the hour of the toilet. It's basically saying, always take your time dressing in the morning. So that'd be my advice, is basically give yourself enough time.
Fair.
Yes.
I don't even know what to say about the toilet thing.
It's old use of the word. It's not what you're thinking.
I know, but we're in now. The only other thing I would say is just, rock it like you own it. Confidence goes a long way.
Yeah. Did he mention if he'd worn the kilt before?
Didn't say in the comment. No.
Yeah, if you've never worn a kilt before at all, I highly recommend. I think this is where you're going. Put just the kilt on tonight and walk around a little bit. Get used to how it moves, how it feels on you, how it shifts in the course of wearing it. In case you want to decide that you want the straps tighter tomorrow than you think you want them now. If you've worn a kilt before and you know what you're doing in that regard, then you don't need to worry about that. But if you've never worn a kilt before, then absolutely give yourself a chance to wear it in a non-pressure situation to get used to it.
I agree.
Yeah.
I'll say,
and congratulations.
Yeah. And some personal experience. Make sure you have everything together.
At least make sure all pieces
keep
parts.
all the bits and bobs together.
What happened to you?
We forgot something. I remember we had a sporran chain or something goofy that we had to go back for. So I sent 2 people back while the rest of us got ready. But yeah, always make sure you have everything there ready to go.
If you have groomsmen, if the groomsmen are wearing kilts, make sure they've tried on their outfits.
Yeah.
My brother swore up and down on a stack of Bibles that his kilt was fine, that it was going to be fine, even though he'd never worn a kilt before. So the morning of my wedding to my wife, not my wedding to my brother, that would just be weird. The morning of my wedding, my brother went to put on his... No, check that. The morning of my wedding, didn't feel like putting on his kilt yet because we're going to go down to breakfast and stuff.
Geez.
And I was just like, no, try on the damn kilt. I want to see you in it. And he put it on, and it was too small. Oh, I guess I gained a few pounds.
Oh.
So the morning of my wedding, which coincidentally, also the same day as the Phoenixville Celtic Festival, I had to drive my brother through the crowds, through Phoenixville, 25 minutes from the wedding location, to go to the shop to open it up, even though the store was closed, to move the buckles on his kilt to get out and drive back to the wedding.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Thanks, Matt.
Yeah.
No, it all worked out fine, but the moral of the story is try the stuff on ahead of time. Make sure the groomsmen, if they're wearing kilts, are trying things on ahead of time. Make sure everything is sorted. It's one less thing to have to worry about.
Yeah, and it may not be your best man, but have somebody who's your point man. Just like, a bride will have a bridesmaid who is in charge of stuff. Basically, somebody who can keep your brain together as you're feeling frazzled and who can watch out for these things for you. And if there's an emergency, they can run and get the missing part, or they can find the safety pins, or whatever. Have somebody who's your wingman.
Yeah.
To help you out.
And always bring a sewing kit, little needle and thread,
a little travel sewing kit.
Yeah, a little travel sewing kit. Yeah, especially for stuff like that. Cool.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Enjoy.